What if the world's first computer wasn't built in Silicon Valley, but at the bottom of the sea? In 1901, divers pulled a corroded lump of bronze from a Greek shipwreck. For decades, it was ignored. Then X-rays revealed gears, dozens of them, cut with impossible precision. This was the Antikythera Mechanism, built over 2,000 years ago. It tracked eclipses, predicted planetary motion, and modeled the cosmos itself. So how did ancient Greeks create technology we wouldn't reinvent for another 1,500 years? And why did this knowledge vanish? Because this machine isn't just about science. It forces us to question what history forgot and what else might still be waiting to be rediscovered. Sometimes the future is buried in the past,